In this video, we will show you how to replace your cabin air filter on this Nissan Altima. If you need this or any other part, order it from oneauto.com. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make your way over towards the passenger side. We have to remove this plastic kick panel. It does have several locking tabs. There's a few across the rear here, one up along the top, and one along the front. We'll take hold of this panel, being careful for any pinch points, and just give it a loving tug away. We'll just give this a quick inspection and we can set this aside. At this point, the cabin air filter will be located in this area. With the panel out of the way, let's have a look all the way along the front side of this area. You're going to find that you have a plastic trim panel that's rectangular shaped. We want to go ahead and pop this lower tab out of place, and then we can separate this. I'm going to use a small pocket screwdriver. Make my way in between this area here. Just wedge it in. There we are. Yep, the tab on mine's a little broken here, but it looks like it will still lock in, so I'm not super worried about it. We'll go ahead and set that cover aside. Now behind that area is where you're going to find the cabin air filter. It's up inside of this area. You can use your finger, a small pick, or even a screwdriver, whatever works best. Just be careful for any pinch points. We'll go ahead and pull that right out of there. Let's pull this out. There it is, friend. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new cabin air filter. When you do so, you want to look along each side. On one of the sides, you will find that you have writing with the word airflow coming across and two arrows. We want to have those arrows facing towards the rear of the vehicle. Start putting this in place. There we are. We've got that started in. Let's go ahead and make sure it presses in. Now that I have that pressed in, we'll just double check to make sure it's completely seated. Now that we confirm that's completely seated, let's continue on with our cover. We'll take this and put it in position along the top and then lock it in with the bottom. Listen for a click, give it a nice tug to make sure it's completely secure. Now we can install our kick panel. We have our locking tabs. We want to make sure that we have those aligned with their corresponding holes. Line it up and press it in. Double check across the front, make sure it's completely secured. Okay friend, we showed you how to install the cabin air filter. If you made a mess, go ahead and clean it up. After that, start up the vehicle and take it for a road test. Now don't forget to order all your parts from oneauto.com. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.